Hi, I'm Rich Torrey. Welcome to another Level Up Cartooning. All you need to follow along with me is a pencil and paper. It doesn't get any easier than that, right? Hey, before we get started, make sure you hit the thumbs up and the subscribe button as it helps this channel to grow, and hit the bell so you never miss a lesson. So we've been drawing some of the main characters from Pixar's classic Up. We've drawn Russell and Carl, and I thought it only fitting that we draw the lovable dog, Doug, once owned by the famed explorer Charles Muntz, who had fit Doug with a collar that gives him the ability to speak, a hilarious and incredibly lovable character in the movie. All right, so let's get cracking on drawing Doug. We're going to draw Doug step by step, giving you the secret formula to be able to draw him again and again. If you've watched any of my other videos, you know I normally use the character's head to figure out how big the whole character is. In this crouched pose, Doug is about 2.5 heads tall. In other words, however tall his dog head is, which as you can see is in the middle of the pose, his entire body is about 2.5 of those tall, with his butt and tail about 1 of those head heights tall, and his chest, legs, and feet about 1/2 of a head tall. Okay, so let's draw on the roadmap for the lovable Doug from the Pixar classic Up. So there's our roadmap for Doug. Now before we go on to step 2, I want to give you the layout of our character's body using simple shapes for those of you who want to screen grab. Again, just something to help you envision how to lay out your drawing. Now we're on to step 2. In this step we do what I call roughing out the features. I want to remind you that until the third and final step, you want to draw as light as possible. You'll see that I use guidelines to help you know where to put Doug's eyes, schnoz, and mouth, among other things. We don't want those guidelines in the final drawing, so you want to draw them light enough to be able to erase them easily. Okay, so let's rough out the features for our furry friend Doug from the Pixar movie Up. Okay, so there are the roughed out features for Doug. So now with the roadmap done and the features roughed out, it's time for that final step. In step 3, we get to have fun. We get to draw in the final details of Doug. We don't have to guess where to put things because we've already done all the hard work to figure that out. One other point. Doug is covered in very realistic looking 3D animated fur. Our job in drawing a line drawing of Doug is to give that fur a furry look. So to do so, you want to ease up on the pencil, vary your strokes in drawing that fur, and in some cases, give it a little breathing room between those strokes. In other words, don't try to connect every hair. Drawing this way only comes with practice. Again, try to lighten up on the pressure of the line as you draw it. Okay? So let's draw in the details for Doug from Up. And that's how you do it. There you have it. One of the great characters from the 2009 Pixar classic Up, the lovable dog, Doug. So how do you think you did? Understand if you've never drawn Doug before, then you can't expect to have drawn him perfectly. You notice I don't spend time coloring Doug during this video because I want my lesson to focus solely on the drawing process. Now you have the secret formula, the process for drawing Doug from the movie Up. And with that, you can draw him again and again. And by all means, color him when you're done. I promise each time you draw him, it's going to be a little better and a little easier. I also promise the more you work with me, the better you're going to get at all of your cartoon characters. So I'd love to see your drawing of Doug. If you can, take a picture and post it on either Facebook or Instagram. And don't forget to include the hashtag #LevelUpCartooning. I hope you had as much fun as I did with this one. Remember to subscribe and thanks for joining me. Until next time, keep drawing, my friends.